Welcome to the chapter The Triangle and its Property. We are on exercise 6.3. Let's move on that. In your exercise 6.3, the first question given is find the value of unknown x in the following diagrams. In the first diagram, we have been given two angles 50 degree and 60 degree, and third angle is marked as x. So we have to use here angle sum property, which says the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So x plus 50 plus 60 is equal to 180, and x plus 110 equal to 180. So angle x we can calculate as 180 minus 110 equal to 70 degree. Similarly, in the second figure, we have been provided the angles 90 degree, 30 degree and x in triangle PQR. So again we are going to apply here angle sum property, that is x plus 90 plus 30 equal to 180 degree, as it is a right angle triangle which has been shown in the figure. So x is equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degree. In your third one, the figure, there is a angle given 110, 30 degree and x. So in the same way we'll solve it. X plus 30 plus 110 equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 140 equal to 40 degree. Similarly, you can solve fourth part. Moving to the fifth part, by angle sum property of the triangle, here all the three angles are given as x. So x plus x equal to 180 degree. So thrice of x is equal to 180. Angle x is equal to 180 upon 3 equal to 60 degree. Similarly, you can try sixth part yourself. Moving to question number 2, find the value of unknown x and y in the following diagrams. In the first diagram, we have been given three angles inside the triangle, that is x, y and 50 degree, and the exterior angle given as 120 degree. So x plus 50 equal to 120 degree by exterior angle property, which we have learnt in the previous exercise. Angle x is equal to 120 minus 50, that is 70 degree. Now we are left with, we got two angles inside the triangle. So by applying angle sum property, we can find the third angle, that is x plus y plus 50 equal to 180. Angle x we have just now calculated as 70 degree plus angle y plus 50 equal to 180. So angle y is equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. So we got both the answers, angle x as 70 degree and angle y equal to 60 degree. Moving to the second part, that is angle y has an angle drawn as in vertically opposite angle, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. So angle y is equal to 80 degree, you can see in the figure. Now we got the value of y. Now by applying angle sum property, angle x plus y plus 50 equal to 180. Angle x is equal to 180 minus 130 equal to 50 degree. So angle x is 50 and angle y is 80 degree. Moving to next part, in this angle y plus 50 plus 60 equal to 180, by angle sum property we can find out angle y here by subtracting 110 from 180, that is 70 degree. So now we are having a value of y with us. So angle x plus y, they are the linear pair. So angle x is equal to 180 minus 70, that is equal to 110. So angle x is 110 and angle y is 70 degree. I hope it is clear, so you can try fourth part yourself. Moving to the fifth part, that is again a vertically opposite angle is shown here. So angle y is equal to 90 degree according to the figure, and rest of the two angles, they are equal, which are represented by x in the figure. So x plus y is equal to 180. So twice of x is equal to 180 minus 90, x is equal to 90 by 2, that is 45 degree. Angle x is 45 degree, angle y is 90 degree. And moving to the last question, last part, that is in the given figure we have been provided the vertically opposite angle to angle 1, which is equal to x, and another vertically opposite angle is x is equal to y, and third one is angle x is equal to angle 2. So adding both the sides, y plus 1 plus 2 is equal to thrice of x. So 180 is equal to thrice of x, because applying the angle sum property of the triangle. So angle x is equal to 180 divided by 3, that is 60 degree. So angle x is 60 degree and angle y is also 60 degree.